the tournament of Mega. This is the track. That's the lava, huh? It's red and ready. The winner is who go to the farthest is the winner. Ready? Let's go. Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Holly All the Adventure. This is the first look at Holly All the Adventure. First time. Go to the Hot Wheels number 1. Just go to the finish line. And he go to the farthest too. Let's have another look. Oh. They both speed, but Holly just swans and just go to the runaway and go to the lava pit. Well, Hot Wheels Racing number 1 races on. Bigfoot. Hot Wheels Racing number 4. Go Hot Wheels. What? Oh, dum. Let's have another look on the replay. In the replay, they just suck, but Hot Wheels Racing number 4 just stuck on the track. Well, Bigfoot tumbles the victory. On to the finals. Who will be the champion? Let's find out. Bigfoot versus Hot Wheels Racing number 1. And here they go. Go Hot Wheels. Bigfoot wins. Let's have another look. They both fly to the finish line. And Hot Wheels Racing number 1 just gets past this line. And Bigfoot just rolls to the finish line. All 2 wheels sending him wins to the finish line and just uses his head to slide up to the farthest. What an epic race, huh? Is it? Bigfoot wins the challenge. And watch more Mega, the tournament of Mega. Bye. And be sure to subscribe.